Hello all, welcome to NEET Helper 2024 Physics from Gamification India. Here we will tell you about how you are going to prepare for physics in 40 days. We are going to explain in this video about split of study into 40 days, 35 days to read the chapters and 5 days for revision, which means you are going to give a 5 hours mock test every day for yourself from 21st to 25th July. This has been explained well in our previous video. Please watch it. Second one is what are all the important chapters to read and prepare in first place. This is based on the previous year question papers. And finally, important subchapters study plan. Here we will tell you the basics about NCERT physics textbook. We have split it into different permutation combination based on the subchapters. It has 270 plus subchapters and approximately 841 pages. Considering that if you read 8 subchapters per day, then you can complete in 35 days, which means on an average 24 pages per day. Now you see, according to 11th standard part 1, there are 7 chapters and 77 subchapters. If you allocate it for 8 days, then per day you can complete 10 subchapters. And for part 2, 11th standard, there are 7 chapters and 61 subchapters. By completing 9 subchapters per day, then you can complete all the 61 subchapters in 7 days. Here we go for 12th standard. There are 8 chapters and 87 subchapters in part 1. If you plan it for 12 days, then you can finish 7 to 8 subchapters per day, and of course, you can complete 24 pages per day easily. In part 2, you will have only 6 chapters and 46 subchapters only. Since the subchapters are less, take a good 8 days time and read only 6 subchapters per day. Then you can complete as per the plan. Let us go and understand where we can focus and give our preference to the chapters. Out of 28 chapters, only 17 chapters are most important. We all know very well 45 questions will be asked in the NEET exam on physics paper. In that, 35 questions on an average you can expect from these 17 chapters, and you can give your preference to 177 subchapters out of 270 plus subchapters. For example, if you read only 5 subchapters per day, then in 35 days period of time, you will be really good in 177 subchapters, which means you can cover 539 pages approximately. Per day, you are just going to read and prepare only 15 pages. This is interesting and much easier, right? Shall we look into detail? Here in 11th standard part 1, there are only 3 important chapters containing 37 subchapters, and from this, on an average, 5 to 6 questions have been asked in the previous years. And in part 2 11th standard, there are 2 chapters containing 20 subchapters. Even here, 5 to 6 questions have been asked in the previous and last time. We have given you the most important chapters below for 11th standard. In 12th standard part 1 was highly considered because in the previous years there were 15 to 16 questions asked from these 8 chapters containing 87 subchapters. In part 2 12th standard, though the chapters are less, still 9 to 10 questions are asked from these 4 chapters containing 33 subchapters. So these chapters are also equally important like part 1. So please note down the chapters from here for 12th standard. We would like to guide you more on subchapters wise. How can you complete these 177 subchapters in 5 weeks duration, which means 35 days. 2 weeks for 11th standard and 3 weeks for 12th standard. In first week from 11th standard part 1, there are 37 subchapters from chapter 5 to chapter 7 from page number 89 to 182 as per NCERT book. On an average, 5 to 6 questions have been asked in the previous years. In the second week, part 2 from 11th standard, you have only 20 subchapters from 2 chapters, chapter 12 and 13. and the pages are from 303 to 340. So you have only 37 pages to read and prepare. On an average, 5 to 6 questions have been asked in the previous years. When it comes to 12th standard, we have given 3 weeks duration to prepare. Since the subchapters are more, also the majority of the questions have been asked in the previous years. In the 3rd week from part 1 12th standard, you can complete these 57 subchapters from 4 chapters, from chapter 1 to chapter 4, from page number 1 to 172, and approximately 8 to 9 questions have been asked in the previous years. Similarly, in the 4th week, the balance 30 subchapters from part 1 12th standard can be completed from chapter 5 to chapter 8, from page number 173 to 287. There were 6 to 7 questions have been asked from these 4 chapters. Finally, in the 5th week, from part 2 12th standard, there are 33 subchapters from 4 chapters, and here you have chapter 9 to 11 and chapter 14. These chapters are covered from page number 309 to 413 and 467 to 499. There were 9 to 10 questions are asked from these 4 chapters containing 33 subchapters from the previous years. I hope you liked our video, so please subscribe our channel and press the like button and share your comments. We will release the 40 days study plan video for chemistry and biology soon. Meanwhile, prepare well. Wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.